My dog is just licking my elbow. Not really sure why. Hello everyone and welcome to J. Sanchez Beauty. Today I will be creating this neutral look using the ColourPop California Love palette, which I am in love with. So if you'd like to see how to get this look today, then just keep watching. Today I'm going to start with the Touch and Soul No Porcelain Primer. Got this in a BoxyCharm a while back and I really like it. It feels hydrating and smoothing. I don't know if it necessarily really is a huge pore filling primer. I mean, it definitely does help smooth the skin out. It does feel, it's not extremely hydrating, but I love the way it makes my skin feel. And yeah, I completely lost my train of thought there for a second. Alright, for foundation today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am in the shade Seashell. Take my beauty blender that I need to clean very badly apparently. Concealer, we're going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This thing is amazing. It's super full coverage and a little bit goes a long way for sure. And it's like $5. I don't know why I put it on like this today. Just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Like I said, a little bit goes such a long way with this concealer, and it's very full coverage. I just got something in my eye. Whoa. I definitely just got something in my eye. I don't know. Alright. To set my face today, I'm going to be using the Catrice Prime and Fine Luminizing Waterproof Powder in Radiant Beige. It does darken out my skin tone a little bit. So if it's something you're interested in trying, just keep that in mind. Pretty light right now if you can't tell. It's not a super luminizing powder, but it does give a little bit more of a sheen than the usual pressed setting powder. Yeah, I think this is like $5 too. Gotta love drugstore makeup. Today I'm going to be using the Cali Contour Kit by Smashbox. Got all kind of things going on today apparently. But I'm going to take the more warm tone shade, just bronze up the skin a little bit. bring some life into my face. I do love this contour kit. It just kind of has like, it's really good for travel because it has all the contouring shades, has a bronze shade. I think they came out with one for deeper skin tones as well, so that's really good. All right, now I'm gonna take the cool tone shade just to create a little bit of a shadow. Chisel out the cheekbone just a little bit more. Take the yellowy shade, which clearly I'm about to be out of. I've almost entirely used up this shade because I love using banana yellow shades just to brighten up that inner corner under eye. Like I said, I have such bad dark circles that anything that helps brighten under eye, I'm all for it. I'm going to take that same blush shade. We're just going to use this Cali Contour Kit today. It's kind of a neutral pinky shade. I'm going to take the lighter of the two highlights in the Cali Contour Kit. Just sweep that across the cheekbone. I'm not going for too overly highlighted look today. Similar to my last look, just kind of dusting it and using just a little bit fluffier brush for that. Alright, for brows today we're going to take the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil once again. I really have been loving this formula. It's pretty inexpensive and it's very creamy. I feel like it just goes on nicely and it's really easy to blend out, or if you make a mistake, it's easily fixable. Shocked at how I actually liked using this little brush thing on the side of this. Normally it's a spoolie on most that you see, and I was a little nervous about using a little dense brush to blend it out, but surprisingly I actually really like it. Especially with this super creamy formula, it really helps blend it out. Alright, for eyes today we're going to be using the ColourPop California Love palette. I love this palette. First of all, I love the cute little packaging and these colors. If you are someone who really loves warm tone neutrals, this is the palette for you because it's like, what, $12? I might be wrong about that one. I'll have to double check. But it's inexpensive, very affordable, and you get 12 shades. A lot of mattes, some shimmers, it looks like some glittery shades, everything. So we're just gonna go for more of a neutral, everyday kind of look today. I'm gonna start with the shade The Bay. Just sweep that all over the crease to create kind of a transition shade as a base for the rest of the shades that we're going to go in. Like I said, we're not doing anything too complicated today. I just thought I'd show you guys kind of a simple everyday look that I like to do, especially with this palette because I just love the colors in it. They blend really well, they're really pigmented. ColourPop is definitely killing the affordable makeup game. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna take the shade Gold Rush and Highway 1, kind of mix them together and concentrate them on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. Just gonna go back in with that shade in the Bay just to blend everything out. Make sure there's no harsh lines, that everything looks spick and span, I guess. It's a weird word to use, but whatever, I'm going with it. Now for all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cruisin'. I absolutely love this gold shade. Love this gold shade. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can't beat that. For such an affordable price, even if this wasn't affordable, like, this is just love this gold shade. Just going in with that shade the Bay one more time. Make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of Highway 1 and Gold Rush. Just get a little bit more in that inner corner in case we covered some up with our beautiful gold shade, because I love that shade so much. I'm going to take the shade Mission, which is a deep brown with a little bit of some gold sparkle in there, and just concentrate this kind of like an eyeliner very close to the lash line. We'll blend it a little bit up into there, into the inner corner, but I'm really trying to keep it primarily on the lash line. That Gold Rush and Highway shade. Just make sure we're as blended as possible. Going back in with the Bay, I always like to just go over one last time with whatever that transition shade is, just to ensure I'm as blended as I can get. All right, I'm going back in with that Mission shade, the deep brown, and just keeping that right on the lower lash line, only in this outer corner. Whenever I do more neutral looks, I try to keep the lower lash line a little bit more precise, unless I'm really going for like a neutral smoky look, which I feel like everything kind of turns out smoky sometimes, but whatever. But for this particular look, we're going a little less smoky on the lower lash line. I'm taking Gold Rush and Highway 1 now and just using it to blend that out, only taking it a tiny bit further in than the Mission shade, and really concentrating it to blend that out, but not make it too smoky. I love this brush because it's like fluffy, but it has a very pointed tip. And so you can use it to really be precise, but also blend. This is the Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45. Love this brush. All right, the only thing that this palette lacks is a inner corner highlight shade. highlight shade. So I'm just gonna go back in with that highlight from the Cali Contour Kit and use that to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Normally I love like a super highlighted inner corner, but I feel like when you're going a little bit more neutral, I don't mind if it's not as like stark bright. Now I'm just gonna go on with some mascara. I'm gonna be using the NARS Climax mascara once again. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face before I put on my lip today. I'm gonna be using the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Skin Mist. I'm almost down. It's so expensive, so I probably won't be repurchasing for a while. But I do love this spray. It's not long lasting, so if you're somebody who's like, oh, I want dewy, but I also need long lasting, I would recommend mixing it with like the Urban Decay All Nighter, spraying that first, then going in with this. But since I'm not really looking for this to last long today, and I do love the dewy effect that it gives me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this today by itself. It's funny because I used to not like looking glowy, even though I have dry skin. I used to prefer the matte look. Then I got this sample of like a glowing moisturizer and accidentally put it way too much. But I was super glowy, and I was like, I have to look like this every day. Last but not least, for lip product today, I'm going to be using the Tom Ford Ultra Rich Lip Color in Revolve Around Me. This is my absolute favorite nude lip color that I own, and I hate that it's so expensive because obviously it's Tom Ford, because I got this on sale for like $10 when I used to work for Clinique. I got it like through the program they use for getting free makeup and testing stuff out, and I literally got it through there for $10, and I will never repurchase because I can't justify spending the actual price tag of this. Also, I have no idea if they even still make it, sorry, but it's beautiful. So I need to find a dupe for this ASAP. This video, if you like what you saw here today, this lovely neutral simple everyday look, then please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. You can also follow me on Instagram at jsanchezbeauty, where I try to post every day different makeup looks and things. So I hope to see you back here soon, and you have a great day.